In this video, I'm going to cover the transport configuration and positions. I'm in mode 5 right now, and I went into configuration, now device configuration, automatic, transport equipment, and then positions.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales wayprice labeling product.
Now these positions are all in relation to the belt, the fronts of the belt. For the weighing conveyor, it is from the photo eye to the front of the belt, and then from the photo eye to the label conveyor start. Now we have a second label conveyor, but we don't actually have one on the machine, so it's just set. Now this right here, the labeler end button, is the very end of all labeling systems, whether you have a ejector or anything else. You set this to be far enough ahead that it is after all processes that the machine does. Now this right here is your labeler position, and this is set independently with each labeler, whether it be the top or the bottom, and that is how far from the photo eye to the applicating spot of that labeler. And now I'm going to show you me running a package with this setting where the labeler is right now. So now I'm going to show you how to change that position of that labeler in order to hit your label where it needs to be labeled without having to mess with the distances all the time. So right now this top labeler is actually set in the wrong place. So I'm just going to run one now and show that. See how that was very late? Okay, now so I've actually moved the top labeler. On the GLM-e you can loosen 4 Allen screws on the back of the mast and actually slide the labeler to the side and adjust to where you want your package labeled, or you can set it inside the positions, but I'll just show you. I'll run this package after I move that labeler and it has no problem hitting it. Okay, so now back on the settings menu of the configuration, transport, and then under positions, right here, now I actually moved that labeler on a GLM-e. Now if you have a GLM-i, you're not going to be able to do that, and you will probably have to manually change it in this setting right here, position labeler. Now that's 1165 millimeters from the photo eye to the application spot of the head, whether it be a rotary arm or a piston, what have you. If it's labeling too early, you would increase this number. If it's labeling too late, you would decrease your position labeler number. And you can move that back and forth, or move the labeler to get it printing accurately. And right here on this positions menu, if you hit etc., we can move on to the other stuff here. Now most of the stuff is not used except for your triggers and light barriers. Now these are what are triggering your labelers to print. and this is sent by the photo eye itself through the I/O boards in your switch cabinet. Now your triggers are always your master, and your light barriers will always be your slaves. And these will be referenced by the module in your switch cabinet.